as one of the panelists at the just concluded National Assembly Stakeholders Capital Market Legislation Forum in Abuja. Executive Director of Business Development for the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Mr. Haruna Jalo-Waziri, used the opportunity to emphasize the need for the inclusion of the Nigerian capital market in fiscal and monetary policy decisions in the country.
I don't know how many people have read the appropriation bill this year or have seen it. The appropriation bill probably weighs more than Hajara Diola here in terms of weight. So which means there's a lot of documentation and a lot of information inside there that came out of the National Assembly. But if you go through that particular documentation, the reference to capital market is no more than a page. For those who have read it, the reference to the capital market is no more than a page. When the CBN governor and the Monetary Policy Committee, I think it's called, sit down and they make policies or make pronunciations, there is hardly any consultation, if at all, with the capital market stakeholders. If there is, it's very little. Maybe they call Munir the day before or after, or call Oscar and say, if at all, Oscar will probably call them, or Munir will probably call them. Now, what I'm saying is, there is a disconnect between policy making, especially around financial systems in Nigeria, and the capital market. And once you continue to have that situation, the capital markets will continue to be in the burner. But we've heard everybody say that the capital market is a catalyst for developmental growth in any society, in any market, or in any economy. Yet, here we are, always talking about these things, and yet the inclusion there is very little, if at all. For us to have this capital market master plan be successful, there has to be a deliberate attempt to ensure that when policy is made, the capital market master plan is taken into consideration. When decisions are made on a continuous basis around the influences of what happens in the economy, that first of all, that barometer called capital market is taken into consideration when policies or when those decisions are taken. Once you're able to do that, then certainly you're likely to see the success of implementation of that capital market. Otherwise, it will be another white paper that Munir will be hitting his head around Abuja and the whole of Lagos and the whole of it, finding that he's not getting anywhere. So my take is, first of all, there has to be that inclusion when decisions are being taken into consideration, the capital market master plan, from day one, and maybe from now onwards and continue. Thank you.
If the capital market is to become a key driver of the Nigerian economy, it must be given top priority in critical economic decisions.